Alright, so this is exercise 4.2, the tube mount. This one is also going to be in inches. Alright. So I'm going to start tracing my way around the profile. It says the whole thing is 5.375. And I'm just creating this kind of L-shaped part first. That's the thickness of that is 1.25. I'm actually going to come down to the bottom because it's just going to be easier to work my way around that way. This is also going to be 5.375. Alright, and I'm going to go up. Let's see, this front part says it's 1.75. I am including this little step that they have here. Alright, I am going to have to do a little bit of math to figure out how wide this little step is. So if the whole thing is 5.375, I'm going to subtract 1.25, and I'm going to subtract 3. 1.125. So, and down tells me that's 0.375. And I'm going to come all the way over until I line up with that. There we go. Alright, so I'm going to finish sketch. Actually, you know what, I'm going to go back in the sketch and just check my dimensions real fast. Make sure that that's a 3. Yep, perfect. Okay, yep, that's right. Just checking. Alright, and, oh, I could have, no, I'm going to leave it like that. Alright, see, there's always more than one way to get from point A to point B when working through these models. Alright, we're going to extrude this by 5. Okay. All right, so I'm going to have to take a chunk out of this and a chunk out of the bottom. And I'm not going to be able to do them both on the same extrusion because they go different distances. So I'm going to do the one at the top first. And let's see, the depth is going to be 0.375. And the width is going to be 2.5. And let's see if the whole thing's 2.5. The whole thing's 5. That means that each one of those is going to be 2.5 or 1.25 on either side. There we go. Finish sketch. Extrude. We'll do a 2 next, so that'll work. That'll take that right out of there, but not go any further. Now I'm going to do the other one at the bottom, which it's going to go through all. Do another rectangle. Let's see, under the width of this one is 3, and the height is 0.125. All right, so very small. And now I just need to make it 1. Oh, I did not mean to click that. That's okay. There we go. I had to click dimension. And from the end to the side is going to be 1. This is going to be a cut through all. All right, so now we just need to add the hole here, and then we'll add some fillets. I'm going to use the hole command, and this hole is a 2-inch diameter. It's through all. Okay, so now in order to locate this hole, it's going to be 2.5 from that side, 2.5, don't hit OK yet, and 2 from the top. Now you can say okay, right? So now we can do all the fillets at one time. So I'm going to choose fillet because it tells us at the top that all fillets and rounds are a 1/2 inch. So I'm going to click there and there and there. Right, so there is the tube mount. Let's go ahead and save this. This is 4.2. And we can make our drawing. And actually, I am not going to use that as the front. I'm going to use that as the front. So if you ever don't have it correct, you can always use your view cube. Oh, that's too big. To orient it correctly. Front, side, top. Perfect. Annotate. Let's put our center mark on and our bisectors. So the hole goes through here. So we're going to put that one there. Remember, it's only holes, so this rectangular cut out the bottom will not need bisectors, just the hole. All right, so now we can start dimensioning. I'm trying not to get those green dots. There we go. I'm going to pull this out a little bit just so that I have room to grab some of the other stuff. So let's see, I think I'm definitely going to need to show these here. And actually, what, I'm going to get rid of this one here. Delete. I'm actually going to show it up here instead. Oh, yeah, I can show this down here. Actually, I'm going to do that the opposite way so that maybe that 0.13 is outside. Yep, there we go. And I can move this down some so that they're not crossing. All right. Oh, the only thing I need to do is locate this hole. There we go. Oh, and I just need to, that one. There we go. All right, so that is all of your dimensions for the tube mount. Make sure you save your file. This is 4.2.